Rizal Tugas. To Ate Gemma Lumboy, maraming salamat din po ate ko. Rosemary Julian, try ko lang up. If I sing you a love song, you will always remember. Will you hear it on lonely nights when I am not around? If I sing you a love song, will you hear it forever? To remind you how much I care and how I needed you. Love songs last longer than lovers ever do. So baby, let me sing you a love song for you. Love songs don't leave you, but lovers often do. Oh, baby, I'm afraid it could happen to me and you. If I sing you a love song, let it always be with you. When the others have gone away, let it still be there. And this song is dedicated to, yes, to Ate Rosmel and Mateo, to Sir Norbert Mateo, Ate Jocelyn Natividad Asido, Ate Gemma Lumboy, Tita Lida Lumboy, to Mary Jane Season, Felvin Salen, Cici Co, Beverly Buenavista, Negra Tika, Eric Loren Dugaro, Cici